Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to remove members area on Wix website. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is the first time here in Wix, I need you to click the Get Started option. And from here, just to follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Removing the members area from your Wix website is a simple process, okay? But the thing is, a simple site can be more user-friendly, particularly for audiences who may find logging in and managing accounts ordeal, all right? Because if your site's primary purpose doesn't require user accounts or personalized content, I believe that removing the members area can simplify the navigation and make the site easier to use. Now, it's a straightforward process really, because the first thing that you're gonna do is go to the upper left corner of your dashboard, and of course you need to go to the members area, and that is inside the Wix editor. Okay, navigate to the pages. Once you do that, you would see you should look for the members area in the left side panel. This could be under menus and pages directly on your site's pages if you have already customized it. All right, now this is gonna be the members area and the members page. There's gonna be a three dots here next to the members area page. All I'm gonna do is very simple. Click on that. There's gonna be a settings if you wanted. There's the page info, that section. Just I want you to click on it. All right, these are the members info. You see? But we're not going to deal with that because what I wanted you to do is click on the permissions. All right. For example, this is selected to members only, and only members or paying customers are selected, and select for member roles and a lot more. For example, you've customized this to these permissions and access. All I'm going to do is click on the everyone. All right. Click on that. And obviously you would be able to, of course, make anyone who visit your page could access the site. You no longer need to have a members page. It's that simple. Or another option is you simply click delete the member login. It's a straightforward process really. Because what you do, all the member access reduces the burden of, handling personal data, which comes with responsibilities related to privacy and data protection. Because without a members area, you won't need to manage user accounts, reset password, or handle related support issues, saving time and resources. And again, all you're gonna do is click on delete page, and the members login members page area is already deleted. Now the thing here is you can't actually delete the members page. It's by default, it's already part of the Wix editor. All right, because many users who are inactive or not utilizing the members area may no longer be valuable to keep it active. All right, it's very easy really. Now the thing is, if you encounter any problems deleting or removing members area on your Wix website, you might want to go to the Wix customer support. Okay, so these are the channels that you can reach them. Click the Tour Help Center, type in a question to see if you get an answer. Let's wait for that. Or you can simply hover down below where you can choose the contact us option. And once you get a hold of one of the support staff, tell them you're having problems removing members area on your Wix website. All right. They will give you insights and troubleshooting steps on to potentially fix the issue. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.